Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel once again. Logo. I'm going to be teaching you guys today how to make the Pepsi logo in just a few minutes. The Pepsi rebranded logo in just a few minutes. Just in case you're watching for the first time, I want you to hit that subscribe button. You help me turn on that bell notification icon so that anytime that I upload anything that has to do with updating your channel, editing, and cool information, you will be the first to see it. So for this tutorial, it's not hard at all. We are going to be using the Monstrat fonts, and we are going to be using shapes, and I'll show you how you can also use the clipping marks in achieving this logo in just a few minutes. The logo is not hard at all. We all know the Pepsi logo can be the Pepsi logo is actually very creative, and most times people like to use Adobe's Illustrator or Corel Draw, but today I'll be showing you guys how to do this very easily using the Photoshop in just a few minutes. So I will encourage you guys to just watch closely on how I do one or two touches in this video, and most especially how I make the clipping marks. The clipping marks tutorial is something that I can also do for you guys later on. It's actually not hard. So if you would like me to make a tutorial on how to a special clipping marks tutorial, I want you guys to indicate in the comment section below. Let me just put you guys through on how to do it, but it's not something that is hard at all. So if you watch closely in this video, I make videos for absolute beginners, so you just have to look at my every step to understand what I'm doing on this video.